Hi, my name is Ahmed Babader, and I have about 3 years of experience with NetSoft. I have a bachelor's in management information systems, and I joined NetSoft. I've taken about 13 trainings, and I have certifications in Citrix, VMware, and Microsoft. A friend of mine referred me to NetSoft. I've taken a total of 13 trainings at NetSoft. The training at NetSoft is very high in quality. The training is intensive with a lot of information and a lot of knowledge. NetSoft teaches their students technical and soft skills. So at the end of the day, when the student graduates from NetSoft, the student is a better individual who can achieve more realistic goals in life. What I like about the trainers at NetSoft is they take trainings very personally. They invest a lot of time and effort in their trainings before delivering the training, and they understand the student requirements, and they try and deliver their best to the students. The trainings at NetSoft are pretty intensive and comprehensive. They require long hours sometimes from students, where there's a lot of theory and practical work involved. There's a lot of teamwork involved, and which helps the students to develop a lot of soft skills, make them a people's person, a team player at the end of the day. The trainers at NetSoft push you to your potential by giving you in-class assignments, in-class group projects, teaming you with different individuals, so you can adapt to different situations with different people. Moreover, they also encourage students to achieve and gain a lot of certifications. The only con that comes to my mind is that NetSoft demands long hours, but which leads me to the pros that which helps me learn a lot in IT, spend more time with my students, in which I can learn more about different products, different programs, that is Citrix, VMware, do different projects. At the end of the day, what I find is that at NetSoft you learn a lot of technical skills, plus you learn a lot of soft skills like being a team player. You know how to communicate with different people in different times, meeting deadlines, working under pressure. So at the end of the day, there's a long list of pros at NetSoft and cons. I've seen a lot of success stories at NetSoft, and most of the students that graduate from NetSoft have stable IT careers. I spent about 35 to 40 hours on my education. That's in class and at home as well. The Hire Me program was very informative. It showed ways how to prepare a resume, how to present myself in interviews, how to dress for an interview, to be on time, and which points to emphasize on in my interview. The Citrix Zen Desktop 7.6 has been my favorite training so far. The main reason the trainer was very informative, gave us a lot of information, both theory and practical. We were given a lot of time in class to practice on labs. We were given home labs, and we were also given projects, very challenging projects to work on to learn the technology. I would recommend NetSoft because at the end of the day, NetSoft makes a better person. message that I have for people who are looking to join NetSoft is that be prepared to come in to learn a lot of new things, new technology, new skills. At the end of the day, when you walk out, you'll be a different person.